First add a character body to D. Then add a sprite, drag and drop the spear. Now add a collision shape to D, select rectangular shape. Resize it. Add a node to D to set the bullet's firing position. Now create a new scene for bullet and add a character body to D, add a sprite, and drag and drop the sprite here. Add a collision shape to D, select rectangular shape, resize it. Now add a script for the bullet to the scene. This script moves the bullet in the direction it's rotated. We set the position and rotation in ready. And in physics process, we create a velocity vector, rotate it, and use move and slide to move the object smoothly. Save the bullet scene. Now add a script to the gun scene. Now preload the bullet. This script shoots bullets towards the mouse. And when you press a button, the fire function creates a bullet. In fire function sets bullet's direction, position, and rotation, and adds it to the scene. Now test it. Now shoot the subscribe button with this gun.